Hi, I just finished reading my Bibles and doing my daily morning devotions today. Just want to share with you the messages of God today for me. Sabi dito, you see that a person is justified by what he does and not by faith alone. Isabihin, kung ano yung ginagawa natin, hindi lamang yung pinaniniwalaan natin, doon tayo na-justify. Because truly, faith without action is dead, and faith is the basis of God. Kanya tayo tatagpuin. Example, when we believe that God will bless us, He will surely bless us. If we believe that God is a healer, He will heal us. If we believe that God is your Father, then He will be your Father and will act like a father. Like He will love you, He will discipline you, He will teach you, He will redirect you. Because it is really impossible to please God without faith. Also, faith alone without action is dead. Parang ganito siya, kung ikaw ay naniniwala pero hindi akma sa ginagawa mo, pananampalataya mo, then hindi yan kinukonsider ng Bible. On the other hand, kung meron ka lamang actions pero hindi ka naniniwala, it's also not justified. Meron akong scene in my heart that is tagal ko nang binabattle sa prayer. Lagi akong bumabalik doon kasi hindi ko pa completely na isa-surrender lahat kay Lord because I am not intentional. Finally, by God's grace, i-surrender ko na siya 100% Lord. Kapag alam kong magfo-fall ako doon, alam ko na yung gagawin kong next step. Dahil nakikita ng kaaway na hindi na niya ako kayang destroy or pabagsakin doon sa bagay na nasurrender ko na kay Lord. Nataniman naman niya yung puso ko ng bagay na makakapagsira. Confident ko and hope ko sa promises ni Lord. Enemy knows that I have a great faith in the Lord. Mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari at gaganap sa buhay ko. So, He knows it and He sees it for the previous days and weeks of my life. Parang inaalis niya ako doon sa desire ko na makinig ng Word of God, magbasa ng Bible, mag-worship in my intimate time. He is distracting me with the things I'm supposed to be doing in the first place. I thank the Lord because this morning, it is a affirmation for me to keep on holding to my faith and also align my actions to that faith I am confessing. So, ayun lang, holding on to your faith and do not let the enemy snatch you out the words and the promises of God that you holding on to your heart. Stay blessed.